Okay, so now let's talk about the digestive herbs. I've chosen two digestive herbs here that are on your list. One of them is nettle. Now, nettle is one of my favorite herbs. You probably have heard, if you've talked to me before, you've heard I'm always talking about nettle and alfalfa. Let me make sure you get a good view. Now, nettle, this is a very chopped fine nettle. It's kind of a spinachy like smell, but nettle is so high in a lot of different vitamins and minerals, boron, selenium, iron, everything. And so it's really great for the digestive system to parts of, remember we talked about the digestive system absorbs a lot of nutrients. You're going to get a lot of nutrient absorption if you're taking nettle. Now the other herbs is the Cascara Sagrada. I'm sure you probably have heard of this. And so with Cascara Sagrada, it's a bark, and it's a very bitter bark. It's great for the liver as well, but it is considered a common laxative. It really does a great job. It's very reliable for most people, and you can tell it has this little, it looks like bark. It looks like bark that's come off of a tree and has been chopped up. So that's Cascara Sagrada. It has a kind of a reddish brown color to it. Like I said, it's very bitter. It doesn't really have, the smell is kind of, I wouldn't say sweet, but it does have a pleasant smell. It does have a pleasant smell to it as well. So that's Cascara Sagrada, one of the better known laxative herbs.